Take a deep breath. Easy. Left leg front. Step just step front. Body সামনে দিকে lean হবে না, straight. Take a deep breath. Keep your palm straight. Keep your palm straight. Palm straight. Then slowly drive back. One more step. The neck will be straight. The neck will be straight. এটা পিছনে কাটা straight করো, straight, straight. Now make a lock. Hand behind your ears. যত পিছনে। Now come to a prayer pose. Straight, push your chest with your leg, like this. Take a deep breath. Now, again drive a little bit. Back leg should be straight. Feel the load and tension. Pressure on your hamstring and calf. Extend your knee. Slowly come back. Step back. Similar position. Now start with your different leg. Go back. Slowly try breathing. Try something like that. Now come back. Arm straight.